Back to Wink time right now is 12:14. Pretty rainy outside.
Yeah, it's been for much of the day, Mary, at least along the coast. Where are we starting to see the showers now?
We still have that coastal rain in place, but we've got a few areas inland now seeing some heavy rain and even a little bit of lightning. There's a look at Doppler radar, and it is active right now. Taking a closer look, you can see the Lee County Islands still getting the majority of the activity. As of now, you do have some lightning, mainly offshore, but there is a bolt there on Pine Island. We're keeping a close eye on this, but 22 strikes in the last 15 minutes. So Sanibel, Captiva, Pine Island Center, Boca Grande, all the way up into Rotunda, you're getting the rain right now. If you can hear the thunder, you need to head inside. Let's take a closer look at what's going on a little further in. Buckingham, heavy rain over you. Some rain just northeast of Gateway, north of Lehigh. This will be getting a little closer to Alba in the next 15 to 30 minutes. We also have a thunderstorm east of Estero, Corkscrew Road, Bonita Beach Road. You're getting the rain right now. 13 strikes in the last 15 minutes, and we have some heavy rain just around Orange Tree, but only one lightning bolt there on Everglades Boulevard. Thunderstorm is weakening over 75, but if you're traveling along the alley, there is certainly that chance that you're going to run into a few wet spots, so take it easy if you're heading to the East Coast. Rainfall today, notice most of the activity has been right on the coast. You can see the green and the blue, that's about 1 to 2 inches. Taking a closer look at rainfall totals, you can see Sanibel almost an inch there, Boca Grande a little over an inch, and almost 1.5 along 75 in North Fort Myers. Here's a look at our Sanibel Harper Marriott Resort and Spa SkyCam. You can see the rain shafts in the background, still dry on the causeway though. We've got the clouds in place. They are sticking with us throughout the day, guys. Estero Bay, this is our Hyatt Regency Coconut Point Resort and Spa SkyCam, and you can see that cloud cover out there. Future track is showing quite a bit of rain as we head into the rest of today. You notice a lot of this activity as we head into the next few hours. This is around 4:30. A lot of this activity will push inland. You can still see some activity at the coast, not ruling that out, but I think east of 75 you're going to get a little bit more activity as we head into the afternoon and the evening, and we'll even see a few thunderstorms lingering late tonight. So that is something to watch out for if you have late night plans. Looking at today's forecast, temperatures are going to stay in the low and mid 90s. We are going to still warm up despite the cloud cover and the rain, and with the humidity in place, these 90s will feel 5 to 10 degrees above what they actually are. So this feels like temperatures could reach the triple digits in a few spots. A southeast wind becomes southwest 5 to 10 miles per hour. We've got sunset at 8:21. Speaking of, here's a look at your evening forecast. Not too bad. Temperatures in the 80s. We'll see some isolated storms, but they should be coming to an end by that point. Boaters 1 to 2 feet in the Gulf, light chop in the bays. Water temperature 87. There's the remnants of dawn. That is no longer a storm. This area right here, we're watching it, but a very low chance of development. Here's the 7-day. Highs stay in the 90s through the weekend. You've got scattered storms in the forecast today, tomorrow, into Friday. Now, the next couple of days, we can still see that coastal rain, coastal thunderstorm activity in the mornings, followed by scattered storms in the afternoons. That pattern holds on through Friday. But as we slide into the weekend, we're kind of back to our afternoon and evening thunderstorm pattern. That starts up on Saturday and continues into early next week.